right, let's go.
There you go. Now I just need some acceptance, need some volume to kind of
Ray, how
breathe.
often do you take a trade that you don't like that actually ends up paying?
Isn't it funny how sometimes the trades that you don't like actually work out? It's
Hmm.
amazing. The ones that you like, you think it's going to go to the moon, ends up going the opposite direction. So yeah, there's something about being uncomfortable, comfortable with being
Uh,
uncomfortable, right? I don't know. I think you mentioned that, or I had read that somewhere, but being uncomfortable with uncomfortable.
that was Dr. Miniker. Start being comfortable being uncomfortable. The emotional journal
Hmm.
is if there's a trade that I think is a layup, it has a
Yep.
much lower probability of success than the ones that
Yep.
scare me a little bit.
Yeah. 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 This is definitely one of them. I didn't think we were going to break below this level, but who am I, right? We just play the probabilities. In this case, we don't really play probabilities. We just play direction.
Well, it seems like gold found its top for now. Sellers back in
That's
here, pulling back
it
here slightly
stall.
here in the gold.
Oh yeah, it did stall a little bit. What was the high?
33.43.50 topping out gold here. Gold.
Wasn't that a level that you
Gold.
had mentioned,
Order
Logan?
filled in gold.
Yeah, 33, 43, 50.
33,
Was that one of these
43,
quickly kickoff highs or?
40, 33. 33, 43 halves is the 200 session moving average in
Oh,
gold.
okay. So it reacted away from that.
Yeah. We were just right up there too.
Yeah.
And we did find a degree of resistance up there, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
When we see those, we should take them.
Yeah.
Kind of busy though.
Got some comments from our friends at Goldman Sachs.
Uh-oh.
We do.
Yeah, CEO Waldron saying, I expect tariffs court case to be heard by the Supreme Court. I don't know if he talks like that,
Really?
but yeah.
Supreme Court.
Wow.
The Taco Supreme Court, yes.
Yeah.
The Burrito Supreme Court.
Ooh, that's a good one too.
Chalupa Supreme Court.
Do they got a Supreme Chalupa Supreme?
Oh yeah,
I don't.
that's my
Yeah,
go-to beef supreme
Really?
chalupa.
yeah. They
Huh.
just add sour cream in there, right? There you go. There's your Supreme sour cream,
I've only had
Super
Taco
well.
Bell once in my life.
and you've
Mm.
never had a Big Mac.
I call bullshit.
Never had a Big Mac.
One time in your life, Hug.
Yeah, I was at a Top Step party too. Late night. They ordered a bunch of it. I'm like, yeah, let me try that.
Mm.
I
Give
know
me
it's
some of that.
hard to believe. I'm very careful about what I put in my body.
Your temple.
Yes, it is a temple. We are just hanging around entry here. We did take out the overnight
Yeah.
low just by a few ticks in crude oil. We got to let it play out, don't we, Ray?
We do. We do.
Gold back to the opening range.
Mm.
What are we looking at below here in crude? We got naked point of control. I mean, there is
It's
space
got,
down below here.
it's got got a little bit of room. I
Yeah.
mean, we're at a level now, right? 30-minute level. 6150 seems to be a level on the 30-minute chart. So,
I like 6090 for a potential target.
okay. That's it has to kind of traverse through some stuff to get there. possible.
Uh-huh. It's got to traverse through some
It has to
stuff. I
get
like it.
very
I like
technical
it.
term.
Yes.
Yeah. I would say it'd probably be more reasonable if it got down to 6124, which is kind of the point of control of that little consolidation area.
Hmm.
6124 would be a reasonable area for this. Get through some stuff. Notice notice I'm not an English teacher.
Yes. Ray's a math teacher.
Math teacher, yes.
Ray, let me ask you too. Knowing math
Mm,
like the back of my
mm,
hand. I
mm.
mean, does this help you with trading, knowing
Yeah,
numbers?
I think a lot of it has. I mean, a lot of trading, at least I find, is pattern recognition. So yes, being able to look at charts and identify, certain patterns that you know come to the market on a daily basis over and over and over again. So yes, I think having some sort of uh, understanding of math that certainly supports your ability to recognize patterns. Again, it comes back to your comment earlier, Hogue, about being visual, right? A lot of what we do is visual. So and that folks and traders look for visual levels. So yes, I do
Order
believe
filled.
that there is something to math and supporting my efforts to trade.
Thank you, sir. I figured that.
How can it not?